Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Nama saya Nalon Saputra Siregar, NPM 208220069. Saya dari kelas agribisnis bilingual. Saya di sini akan menjelaskan peluang ide bisnis yang akan saya buat, yaitu thrifting clothes business atau bisnis baju monja. The main activity of this thrifting business is selling used clothes online and offline, which can generate profit. Next, the way to increase the turnover of the thrifting business is to sell more clothing variants so that it attracts many enthusiasts to buy the product. How to manage the finance of thrifting business? By using initial capital to buy used clothes per bulk range from 500,000 to 5 million. From per bulk we can return the capital in full and get a profit of about 50%. Then from this advantage we can buy clothing with the better quality so we can get bigger profit. The main research that is the core of the business is used clothes. How to prepare a strong team to help the thrifting business can be by conducting briefing with employers, establishing good communication with employers, and improving the quality of employers by increase employees' income. Okay, next, business financial plan. The first selling price 30,000. Next, product price is 5,000. Investment funds 35,000. Rent a place 10 million. Employee salary 1 million. Miscellaneous expense 5 million. Minimum sales target of 10 clothes every day. Next, amount of expense rent 10 million. 365 365 is 27,397. Employees salary 1 million is 33,333. Miscellaneous expense 4,000 is 133,333. Total investment 35 million per 3,365 is 95,890. Total expense is 95,890 per day. Okay, then for the BEP, profit per pack, selling price to production price, from 30,000 minus 5,000 is 25,000. With the amount of profit BEP 95,890. dibagi 25,000 is for clothes. So the number of product or thrift clothes that must be sold every day to meet the closing capital is for clothes. Next, PBP with an effort that states the every day has a target to sell 10 pitches per day. The profit amount is 25,000 dikali 10 pitches dikali 10 pitches dikali 30 day is 6 million. So PBP is 35 million dibagi 6 million is 5 month. Okay, next, ROE with an effort the states that ROE is 6 million dibagi 35 million dikali 100% is 70%. Okay, next, business name, thrifting clothes business field clothes. Vision is to become a professional use clothing business that prioritizing local uniqueness. Mission, the first, promotion quality apparel products with design based on local uniqueness. The second of mission, encouraging the development of the creative economy and the small and medium-sized business sector. Okay, next, business description. Thrifting clothes business is one of the business that is very attractive to young people. Next, product uniqueness. The uniqueness of my product is selling used clothes with the best brand. Okay, product details. The first shirt, the second jacket, next sweater, and the last trousers. Target market is all people. Marketing plan, optimize sales on social media. Human research owner, Nalon Saputra Siregar, kasir via shopkeeper Jono. Operational costs that need to be done. The first, equipment for making a thrifting business, 1 million. To salary TSP, 1,500,000. The third, others, 1 million. So total 3,500,000. Business target and timeline. The first 1 week get 100 customer. 2-3 years have at least 2 branches in other cities. Next, SOP, standard operating procedures. Purpose, the running of the entrepreneur is in accordance with the arrangement set to be done in accordance with the SOP. Goal, standardize the sales process that every now working order. The first, all employees wear work uniforms. The second, employees occupy their respective position. The third, no one leaves work except rest hours. Job description. The first, department name shop owner, head shop owner, store employees. 2, department president, director, manager, store employees. The Next, superior president director, and the last subordinate store employees segment control all subordinate work. Next, according to the soft market test, when testing the product market, I got input from potential buyers, namely making a more unique design on a paperback. Okay, this is packaging design of my business. So this is media social, Instagram at NSS underscore thrifting clothes, and Shopee nalu underscore siregar 18. So thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.